Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelin bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On August 20th, 15 Job Service Office of the Vocational Training Centers of the Africa-Madagascar region completed a week-long training workshop led by Mrs. Naidu Fozia, Mr. Ashley Paul John and Mr. Fato Paul of the Catholic Institute of Education. The seminar promoted by Don Bosco Tech Africa was held at the Don Bosco Youth Educational Services in Nairobi. The aim of the seminar is to equip GSOs with the knowledge, attitudes and skills necessary to offer young people a better quality of life. The DBTA is convinced that thanks to education, the younger generations will be able to acquire the skills necessary for the transition to a productive adulthood. Don Bosco High School Mirik bagged second prize for implementing the Kanyashri Prakalpa scheme instituted by the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. Kanyashri Prakalpa scheme provides financial assistance to girls aged 13 to 18 of economically backward classes to pursue higher education and stop their untimely marriage. It has been given international recognition by the United Nations Department of International Development and UNICEF. In Brazil, with the presence in connection of the General Counsellor for Social Communication, Father Gildacio Mendes, the Salesian School of Communication, a special program organized by the Dicastery for Social Communication of the Salesian Congregation with the collaboration of the coordinators of social communication of the regions, was held. The school was born in response to the two actions proposed by the Animation and Government Project of the Dicastery for Social Communication 2020 to 2026, based on the programmatic proposals of the Rector Major for the post GC 28, Living the Salesian Sacrament of Presence. On August 16, 12 novices of the 2020-2021 formative year made their first profession as Salesians of Don Bosco. The ceremony was presided over by Father Ignacio Ocampo Uribe, Superior of the Province of Mexico, MEM, concelebrated by Father Angel Prado, Superior of the Province of Central America, and Father Filiberto Gonzalez, Superior of the Province of Mexico, Guadalajara. The Commission for Social Communications of the Salesian Province of the Northern Philippines has organized an online visual storytelling workshop with 25 participants from different Salesian realities as well as various past pupils. Mr. Khalil Joseph Banaras, past pupils of DBTI Makati, Professor of Cinema and Judge of the annual Don Bosco Film Festival, facilitated the three-day event which began on the 206th anniversary of Don Bosco on August 16 and then on the 18th and 20th. The workshop was held with the aim of preparing the participants for the next Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival, which will take place on 18 and 19 November, and the annual local Don Bosco Film Festival, and to accompany them in this field of youth ministry. During the workshop, various topics were addressed, including character creation, screenwriting, directing, acting, filming, and production. On 15 to 21st August, the third stage of preparation for the perpetual profession of 12 young Salesians of the Italian provinces took place. The week of the spiritual exercises had its beginning with the birthday of Don Bosco, who lived at the Colle Don Bosco, then followed a spiritual retreat for 5 days in the House of the Spirituality of the Sisters of Charity of the Immaculate Conception of Ivrea in Andrate, T.O., preached by Father Raffaele Pano, former Master of Novices in Genzano. The course ended on Saturday in Turin Valdoco with the meditated visit of the House of Don Bosco and the Holy Mass with the renewal of the profession in the Church of San Francisco de Sales, remembering Don Bosco, who concelebrated Holy Mass there to his boys. Father Marek Cherzant, Director of the Don Bosco International Institute, Corsetta, oversaw the organization. For the second consecutive year, the celebrations commemorating the anniversary of Don Bosco have been characterized by a procession of solidarity made with cars. The event called Carieta Cum Don Bosco brought together the entire Salesian family and a large number of faithful on the main streets of the city. Wherever he went, the procession aroused moments of great emotion, with the people on the sidewalks to greet Don Bosco and to ask for his protection. The second edition of the Cariata cum Don Bosco was an expression of our love for the saint of young people. This event is a manifestation and a recognition of the heritage that the Salesians have built throughout their history in Salvador, said Father Euris Barreto Fernandez, Director of Salesian Work. As in the previous edition, food was collected to be donated to needy families assisted by the Salesians of Salvador. The Salesians have been present in Guadeloupe for a year with two distinct missions. A parish mission in St. Luc de Brambridge in the city of Les Abymes, a municipality of 58,500 inhabitants that borders Ponte-Petre, and with the Laker Bosco Association, which helps young people in difficulty. This summer, Father Lionel Torin, 47th, a Salesian of Don Bosco, is on site for a summer mission. He recounted his experience in an interview published by Don Bosco Ojotwi. On 22nd August, the Economist General of the Salesian Congregation, Salesian Brother Zopol Muller, accompanied by the Central Africa Provincial Father Guillermo Bassanis, visited the facilities of Radio Don Bosco. The broadcaster is located in Lubumbashi in the province of Yucatanga and has been serving youth since 2014. The Economist General and the Provincial were welcomed by Mrs. Nelly Mangwi, Secretary General of the Radio Don Bosco. She explained the station's functioning before proceeding to visit the editorial office, administration, the large studio, two mini studios, the broadcasting room and the material storage. On radio, Brother Zopol Muller made some recommendations to the young people of Lubumbashi to help them be successful in their future life. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.